Okay, so it is Saturday, March 26th, like 9 o'clock in the morning. And got a lot to get done today since we can't work on the car tomorrow. So, guess I better put the camera down and get to work. So here we are, halfway through the day. We're about to go get lunch. And look, there's a rear end in the car. I'm doing happy dance.
Oh, that stuff is awesome. It's crushed walnut shells.
Oh yeah?
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Crushed walnut.
Alright, so it is 10:35. We've already been on the road for about half an hour, and we have 111 miles to go before we get anywhere near my house. We worked on the car for about 12 hours today. We got the rear end is now in the car, and the brakes, and the front axle, and it turns if it was on the ground. The first race is in 2 weeks, so we have exactly 1 weekend left, 2 days, to get the entire car finished and put together. We're pretty sure we can do it. We're hoping we can do it. So, tune in next week and see if we do it. Thank you for watching. Ah! There was a pole! I missed the sign because of the pole!